Hey chief, can I telework tomorrow? Oh no, you have to be here. Why? So I can ensure that you're working, but I can also come to the office and do nothing. Yeah, but here I can control you. Are you sure? Because when I'm here at the office, I never see you all day. You always attend meetings. Hello everyone, T.Dy from I Love Consulting. Today I will talk about teleworking and show you why teleworking is very effective. The first point why the teleworking is very great is because you can work with the outfit that you want to wear, and you can work in the position you want to work. Indeed, you can focus on your task, on your objectives without thinking about some details, just like the posters on the way why you have to be with your client, with your colleagues in your office. So it will remove you some stress and effort. Teleworking is also very effective because you can focus and you can progress very quickly in your task without being disturbed by your colleagues. Indeed, your colleagues will only request you in emergency case or when they need you, but they won't disturb you with some details such as a break, taking a coffee, or some discussion. Come on, let's take a break. Oh, sorry, in 5 minutes please, because I have to finish this. It's very important. In 5 minutes please. Oh, and did you watch the movie yesterday? No, sorry. Yesterday I was very busy. I didn't have time to watch movies. When you're teleworking, you can also produce very effectively, like I mentioned just before, but without paying attention to the working hours. So you can easily do overtime working because you don't have to think about leaving at this time because you have a train to take, or because you are afraid of traffic jam on the road. When you are at the office, you have to pay attention at the working hours because you have to leave the office to go home. So some people have to take public transport or to take their car, and they want to avoid traffic jam, or they have own constraint at home, so they have to leave earlier. But it's not the case when you're teleworking, because when you're teleworking, you're already at home. So you don't need to pay attention to the working hours, and you can doing very easily overtime working hours. But what? You're already leaving? Yes, very sorry, because today there is a strike and there's a very few metro. Teleworking allows you to wake up later than usual because you don't have to wake up earlier to take your car and to go to the office, or to take the public transport and to go to the office. You can save this time to sleep a little more, and you can also take a nap just after the lunch, so you can regenerate your body and your mind. And teleworking allows you to have a very good health. Very good health means that you can produce more effectively and more quickly, and perhaps more longer. Yeah, but if I allow him to do teleworking, I'm sure that he will do nothing at home, for sure. Now, people who do nothing at the office will do nothing at teleworking. It's normal. At the opposite, the employees who is very engaged and very motivated at the office will be for sure very motivated and very engaged also at teleworking. There's no reason. And in case of you notice that your employees at teleworking is not productive as usual or not effective as usual, you can simply prevent him to take teleworking days. So this is the end of this video. If you like it, put some likes, subscribe to my channel, share this channel and this video to anyone you want, and put some comments right below, and I see you later. Bye bye.